This is a 2006 Chrysler Sebring. Silver in color, premium wheels, rear spoiler. This is the Touring edition. Back seat. Power windows and door locks. Power seats. This has 120,000 miles on it. Got a stereo with a remote. If I could figure out how to use it. Let's see. There we go. Air conditioning, cruise control, and it's a automatic in good condition.